we need to make a Crestrail. This chair has a Crestrail, not a headrest and not a backrest. This is going to be really easy to do. First, I want you to take a look at one that I'd already made for the prototype. Now, to make this, first you need to get a measurement. So, using a tool that my grandfather used, a folding rule, I'm able to get a good inside measurement. Now, I'd also like to test that measurement in several places, keeping it parallel to the floor to make sure that we don't have a taper between the legs at the point where we want to make the connection. So we'll take this measurement and we'll go to the table saw and we'll cross cut our stock. I'm measuring down 2 11/16. And now I'm setting a wheel type marking gauge. And I can make a mark all the way around. And now I can make a little saw curve on each edge here, because that part will be hanging down and we don't need to get it in the way of the joint area at the Crestrail stem.